Hello beautiful people, I'm Polyfilm Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can assemble one beautiful folio that is available in my Etsy shop, and I'm very happy with this product because it is retro, Valentine's Day inspired, and I put a lot of effort to make it. As you can see, there will be a box when you purchase it. There is the box. Here you can write to, from. Also, there will be this small folio that I'm going to show you how you could assemble it. And there are a lot of goodies inside. Let me just show you. And little notes also, and this is little pocket in which you can find those beautiful cards. So please subscribe for my channel and like this video, because subscribing for my channel will help me to develop more as an artist, and I thank you very much for your support, because your support means a lot. This means that I'm making good videos, and it's some kind like a little self-esteem that I have. So thank you very much for following me. I appreciate your support, and everything that you're doing, like comments or liking. So this is going to be very easy video, and you can give it as a gift for your loved ones, for your family members, of course, and for a lot of people. So let's get started. So as you can see, everything is cut out and already scored. I mean by scored, this little tab, of course. And I already, as you can see, cut all the embellishments that I need for this small folio. Now, this folio is very easy and it's beginner friendly. Probably you will know how to assemble it, but I wanted to make it more easy for you. So let's get started. Let me take my chair, which is near here, and let me sit. Okay, I've already prepared my glue, and actually this is the face for the folio. And when you open your PDF file, you're going to see them like this, just like this. So you're going to cut them out. First print them, then of course cut them out. And what is the idea? The idea is to fold these two squares, and after folding them you need to glue them, as you can see, or you can use them as a little pocket, but also you can use this part to be your front of the little folio, like this, or you can use this part. I'm going to use the pink one. So as you can see, the idea for this little tab is to put it between those two squares, so you can hide it, because it's not very pleasant, let's be honest, it's not very pleasant to watch tabs over your folio, especially if you want to make it as a gift. And this is the little pocket that is going to be glued here, and I'm going to fill it with all these beautiful goodies that I've prepared. So let me take the glue. First, before this, I forgot that I'm going to use my distress ink because I would like to give this more vintage look aspect. And I'm going to put some ink on my pocket here. And let me put a little bit of glue on the tab. And I'm going to put it just right here. Let me just okay. And I'm going to hide it like this. And I'm going to cut this little part here down, but just let me get my scissors. Where are they? Oh, okay. I'm going to use the small one. Just let me go and get it. Okay, I've already took my scissors. I'm sorry, they were in the end of the room. I'm gonna cut this one here because I don't like how does it look. Like that. And I'm going to put a little more from my favorite ink. Okay, and I'm going to glue, as I said and as I promised. You can leave it as a pocket if you like, second pocket, but this time I'm going to glue it. But you can leave it as a second pocket, and you can fill it with secret notes, for example. And it's going to be very interesting. Okay. Be generous with the glue. Always like to put a lot, but because I like my things to be strong. And as I said, durable, of course, strong. And as I said, like many times in my videos, the word durable. I think this is the, I'm not sure, probably it's the right word to describe what I want to do. Like the idea for my creations. I mean by, let me just glue this. Okay, by this I mean that I like my things to be more durable. Okay, it's easy peasy. It's very easy to make it. And I'm going to put a little glue from the left and right and bottom of the sides of my pocket. And I'm going to fill it with all these beautiful goodies that I've prepared and that they're included in the PDF file. A little more from this glue and I'm already done with the gluing part. Okay, and let me just put it in the middle of the small folio. Like this. Just check it. Okay. And I'm going to put all the goodies that I've prepared, as you can see. And those are little lovely notes. I always like to put little notes in my digital products. You can write some kind of Valentine's Day memories, like this, or you can put them, for example, like this. Oh, I prefer in this way. And this is it. It is completely beginner friendly and it's very easy. So thank you for watching this video. One more time, please subscribe for my channel, like this video and watch the rest of my videos. If you like this product, go and check it in my Etsy shop because it's going to be available there. I have my list where I put it in my Etsy shop in the description box, so you can easily find it. Also, there is a link to my Etsy shop, and as I said before second, there will be a link for this product also. So I wish you an amazing day and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.